Lost 20 rating points. Okay. And can't he trap your rook with the bishop? No, because he couldn't. What the? Dude, I'm going to switch that right quick. There's something going on with that sound alert. I'll figure out how to do it next time. There's something going on with it. That mug be scaring me. Alright, let's get back into the game. Nobody's gonna whoop me on time anymore. Actually, let me get my better camera right quick as I'm playing chess. How y'all doing? Let me look at the chat right quick. That was a good game. Yeah, that was. Sorry for forgetting to put it unrated. It's no problem. I'll get it back. This dude's side dragon having fun with those emotes. Problem, sound alert. Let me see. Play another move right quick. I got this new camera. Nobody's seen it yet, so yeah, I'm still gonna win this game. Don't worry. Don't worry about a thing. All right, you don't gotta stop. And I actually forgot something else too. I forgot to put my other light on. Oh crap. All right. Nope, can't do that yet. Still gonna win this game. What are y'all saying in the chat? Sorry for getting you caught up in the audio issues, losing you at the game. Nah, it's no problem. It's no problem at all. Make sure that y'all hit the like button too. We're trying to make chess a lot more popular than it is. So let's get that up. And it's already super popular. Like, I don't know exactly, if y'all noticed, but dude, there's been a lot of kids playing chess during the cafeterias and during lunchtime, and grown-ups playing chess is as popular as it's ever been before, even on chess.com, things of that nature. So yeah, we're up there. I'm watching. This dude Side Dragon is watching on Twitch and and on YouTube. Okay. All right. So let me. The other camera should be up right now. There we go. Ah. There we go. Okay, let's get started. Oh, that's just a free pawn. You can't give me free pawns, man. You can't give me free pawns like that. Come on. Let's be better. That was one of your homies. That was one of the ones that would die for you. You just gave him away like nothing. Can't do that. This is chess. We're all buddies. Let's take that bishop. Let's take that bishop. You're gonna lose due to your time control. Man, skip time control. I'm not losing this one. I'm just gonna blitz all these moves off. I'm not losing this one. Okay. Sorry for getting like that hoodie. Oh, thank you. Okay. Free queen. That is a knight. Wow, I don't know which is better, the demo board background or the hoodie. Hey, I'm glad y'all liking the hoodie. Yeah, man. Yeah, these hoodies are cool. They're very comfortable, actually. I didn't know that if they was going to be like good quality or not, but yeah, does not disappoint. Does not disappoint. Shoot. All right. I was going for checkmate, which they're stopping all that. Come on now. Give me that checkmate. And the people that want to challenge me, you have to challenge me after the game is done. Hey, can I play? And y'all can ask me questions too in the chat. I don't really care. Hey, can I play against you next, please? Well, I don't do chat requests. I don't do chat requests. Got to get this other rook into the game. After I get this one more rook into the game, is pretty much over. All right, cool. GG's. I wish I could play Blitz like you one day. I can't think clearly under time pressure for now. Yeah, you get there. As you train really hard every single day, anybody can get there. And like I said before, like I challenged everybody before, if you are under 1,000 rating on chess.com, if you're under 1,000 rating, then you should be able to get there very quickly. All right. I put the knight out there first. What is this guy doing? We're facing the King's Gambit here. I'm just playing anybody too. I don't have a bias towards anybody. I'm just picking people randomly. I want that to be my next move. Since they wanted to develop their bishop really quickly. Yes. Yes. And then we're going to develop this bishop on f4. And we are going to put as much pressure on our opponent as possible. That's going to be the main. I'm not talking to this camera anymore. I'm talking to this camera. Yeah, that's going to be my main objective here. All right. I'm serious. I'm serious. We're attacking this knight. Yeah, they had this move, which I don't know why I fell for this. I'm going to be completely honest. I don't know why I fell for this, but yeah, they do have this move, which we're still going to survive though. But man, that was oh crap. Yeah, we are just going to take as many pawns as possible. Go look at my game history. Hey Jay, how you doing, man? Hopefully you're doing swell. I could do maybe this. I don't know. Yeah, let's do that. Yep, we are doing that move. Do you prefer bishop or knight? Of course, I prefer the bishop. I prefer the bishop. There's nothing like the bishop. I got 99 problems, but a bishop ain't one. Like specifically. Let me see. Ooh, man. Dude, I've never seen a 400 rated player play this good. Hey, wait a minute. We got some people in the Twitch chat. Let me see. I got 2 laptops that I'm dealing with. Give me one sec. Hey, after this game, can we? I'm not doing any chat requests. What is the one thing students will learn from you that other coaches don't rarely learn? Because I tell you the specifics of what you're supposed to do. Like specifically, what is the purpose of like playing chess and etc. And I have over like 1,000 videos that you can learn from. Plus, I've been teaching chess for way longer than most of these coaches that be online. And I've taught at actual schools. I've taught kindergartners to seniors, all right? I do this. I just haven't been online. And this game is not showcasing what I know. This game is horrible. We're gonna try to secretly save this. I don't know how, but it's going to happen. I'm going to put that bishop on e3. They gotta be cheating. Well, I mean, it is what it is. even if they are cheating, because it's not gonna benefit them like cheating against me. It doesn't benefit anybody actually. Okay. Yeah, those rook moves were pretty awkward. I'm not gonna lie. Like at first, I was thinking, maybe he's doing something, but now I'm like, dude, those rook moves are pretty awkward. Nobody would do those rook moves. Uh, Thank you, Joe. I appreciate it. Yeah, the hoodie is pretty dope. I like it too. I had somebody else design them. Okay, now there's some real maybe blunders. I don't know. Some real blunders now. Mm, yeah, still losing. You know, it's crazy that after they have a double check, no matter what move I do in this position, it's just losing. I'm still gonna try to survive this. This is the best 400 in the whole world. Like, bro, this is the best 400 in the whole entire world. bro, bro, look, hey, you better be legitimate. This is what's gonna happen, right? I'm not gonna report you. I'm just gonna let you go. All right? I'm just gonna let you go and do your thing. But come on, man. If you are cheating, be better. That's too close to my ear. My bad. Back to the game. Yeah, does he just not play on chess.com? I don't know. I've met a lot of people here. All right, what's going on? All right. Look, see, now that just makes me weirded out that you're playing moves like this now. That's so weird. Because you're trying to beat me on time, even though I still got 16 seconds. Now this position is winning. Wow. What was that? I'm befuddled. Does anybody have an explanation what just happened there? Those last five moves were not it. Anybody? What was that? Do you have free chess courses? I have a lot of videos on YouTube. That's exactly what I have. He's like, what was that? No, he played really, dude. No, you got to understand. There's definitely a difference in game style. But yeah, it really doesn't matter. As long as I'm learning throughout the game too, it really doesn't matter. Joe, thank you. What was that? How can we play? If you want to play me on YouTube, my username is in the description. All right, my username is in the description, so you can play me. Get a shout out by H1. Actually, where's my music at? Where's my music? You're streaming on YouTube as well. Yep, streaming on both. I figured out how to, and I was like, might as well. Might as well. Let me put some music on. Okay, gotta make sure everything is silent. All right, cool. Let's get back. Hit this bishop. I ain't got no worries. Messi or Ronaldo. I don't talk about sports anymore while streaming. I don't talk about sports because I picked a team in the Super Bowl and like half my viewership went away. And so we're not talking about sports, religion, or politics at all. All right, this is only about chess. So if you want this chess knowledge, chess with some chess understanding, stay here. If you want some politics, and go talk to whoever you want to talk to. Shoot, I'm not even gonna name names because I already think everybody's like, oh, what does he believe? It's like, nah, bro. I'm cool. I'm good. You're not gonna find that here. Everybody's welcome here. It is a sport. Nah. There's people that are serious about their sports. Too serious. Okay, so technically sports are in politics and well, ugh. You can make an argument that politics isn't everything. All right, you can make that argument. I'll give you that. Let's put this queen right here. That just means messy. Yeah, there we go. That just means messy. That whole speech just means, yeah, messy all the way. Football. H1 is a believer in ancient Egyptian government style. You saying you smarter than Google? Dang, what are y'all arguing about? Got the chat arguing about nonsense. So what else do we got here? Hey, make sure that y'all, I shouldn't have to tell, if I check the stream on YouTube and I don't have a lot of likes, or like at least, how many likes do I got? 28, we got 35 people watching. We can easily get to 30, right? We can easily get to 30. We got 40 people on YouTube. We got 11 people on Twitch. We're doing the thing. We're doing our thing, all right? I'm doing the best I can to make sure that y'all get this good entertainment. And then afterwards, we are going to be doing some chess lessons probably around maybe 10:30, 11 Central Time. So like 3 hours from now, because I'm going to have to split it up. I have like a chess class to go to really quickly after this stream. Yeah, we're going to do some chess puzzles. It's going to be cool. It's going to be really quick. It's going to be awesome. And hopefully you're going to learn something from it. I'm going to make sure to schedule it beforehand. I'm going to make sure to schedule it beforehand. Did you see them that was trying to get this back rank checkmate? What's my puzzle rating? What's your puzzle rating? What's your puzzle rating? I'm not going to take their knight because they would have taken my knight, and I didn't really like that position. So I'm just going to check them, take that pawn, probably go knight e4, and get a massive attack on them. I don't mind. Okay, we're going to push that up. And now their king is weaker than my king, and, you know, oh, that's just a free queen. Ugh. Ugh. This is ugly. Ugh. Ouch. 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 There we go. Good game. Let's keep on going. I want random people. Okay, I haven't played you